How the hell has gold gone up more than property?
Is this a better asset?
Now, in 1975, the median house price in Australia was just under $30,000. And in 1975, you needed 7 kilos of gold to buy a median house in Australia. But let's fast forward to today, okay? 50 years later, a median house has gone from $30,000 to $1.1 million. But how many kilos of gold do you think you need to buy a median house today? Okay, it was 7 kilos in 1975. So would it be 10 kilos today? 20 kilos? 30 kilos? Well, it's actually less than 5 kilos of gold. So you're telling me we've had property boom after property boom. Property is more unaffordable than it's ever been, but gold has still outperformed property over the last 50 years. How is that the case?
Because it's the better asset.
Could it be that we're actually looking at this all wrong? Has it really gone up in value? Maybe it's not that houses are going up at all. Maybe it's that the value of money is actually going down. Could it be that property has gone up in price for the same reason that gold has gone up in price, which is all to do with inflation and the fact that money, your money, is actually consistently losing value over time. And real assets like gold and, yes, property are simply holding their value over time.
Correct, it hasn't. It's just the dollar's lost a lot of value. Your house has, retained it, and now you feel rich. Property it depreciates. It loses value over time. The roof, you need to replace it every 20 years. The bricks, they don't last forever. You bury gold in your backyard, someone digs it up in 3,000 years, it's still gold, right? Gold is king. Property is not holding its value right now. And people are going to give me all sorts of flack over that. If the inflation rate is 10% and property's up 5% or 8%, gold's up 60% this year. That's holding its value. Silver's up 90% this year. That's holding its value. Property losing to inflation, losing to real inflation, not this government inflation data stuff. Who believes that? But real inflation, property's not holding its value. It's done that over the last 20, 30 years, yeah, because of all these tax incentives we put in and, mass immigration over the last couple of years. It's held its value in the past and it will hold its value again in the future, but property is not the thing to hold in a high inflation period. That's precious metals, that's gold, that's silver, and that's why precious metals have been the top performing traditional asset class for the last 2 years, is because they are what to hold when times are like now.